my dear students. So here today let's begin with chapter 6, class 8 maths, square and square root part 1. Let's start. Now square and square roots. Previously we have done cube and cube roots. So cube and cube root, it shows the power of 3. Here square and square root shows the power of 2. Now math is fun. Square roots. Now this is the perfect square of 1 to 30, which you are supposed to remember at least 1 to 25. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. So similarly you will write all this square in your notebook and you will memorize at least squares till 1 to 25. Now square root. So that is how many times that number is multiplied with itself. So 1 square is 1. So square root of 1 is 1. 2 square 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 3 square 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 4 square 16. Square root of 16 is 4. 5 square is 25. So square root of 25 is 5. Square numbers. The number you get when you multiply by itself, you get square number. For example, 4 into 4 16. So we can say that 16 is a square number of 4. 0 is a square of 0. 4 is a square of 2. 9 the square of 3 and 16 the square of 4. Now you might be knowing the formula of area. In the square, what do we do to find area? We do L into L, that is length into length, which is L square. So here the area with the square size 3. 3 square, which is 3 into 3 is 9. And area, which is 5 into 5, 5 square, which is 25. A perfect squares. Perfect square. If a number ends with 2, 3, 7 and 8 at its unit place, so it must not be a perfect square number, like 132, 72, 28. So you just have to remember that the number ending with 2, 3, 7 and 8 at units place, they might not be the perfect square. On the contrary, the number ends with 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 at the units place, it may be the perfect square. Example 16, the unit digit is 6. It is the perfect square of 4 into 4. Now 15, 5 is the unit place. So according to the rule, it should be the perfect square, but here it is not a perfect square. Property of unit digit of a square number. So 1 square and 9 square. So 1 into 1 is 1. 9 into 9 is 81. So if a number has 1 or a 9 in the units place, then its square ends with 1. So 1 square and 9 square, that square ends with 1. 2 square and 8 square. So 2 2s are 4. 8 8s are 64. So if a number has 2 or 8 in the units place, then its square ends with 4. You have to remember all these tricks. 3 square and 7 square. So 3 square, 3 3s are 9. 7 into 7, 49. So if a number has 3 or 7 in its units place, then its square ends with 9. Similarly, 4 and 6 square. So 4 square is 16. 6 square is 36. So if a number has 4 or 6 in its units place, then its square ends with 6. The odd get even. This is the rule. Even and the odd squares. Even and odd squares. You already know that if a number is odd, so its square is also odd. If a number is even, its square is also even. For example, 16. Now 4 square, the 4 is even number and the square is also even. 5, which is odd number, whose square is 25, which is also odd. 11, the odd number, square is 121, again odd. 12, which is even number, whose square is 144, which is also an even number. 7 square, the odd number, which has the square 49, which is also an odd number. Adding odd numbers. This is again one more interesting fact. If the sum of the numbers are in consecutive form, 1 and the odd, so the square root of this number is number of the observation. For example, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 square, which is going to be 49. You just add them up, you'll get the number 49. How interesting it is. Secondly, let's go up to 9 numbers. So 9 times. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. That is equals to 9 square. That is going to be 81. Next is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can say that it is the 12 square, which is 144. Odd numbers of zeros. If a number add with the odd numbers of 0, then it is not a perfect square. So 30. So 0 is only odd time, that is 1 time, not a perfect square. 5,000. 0 3 times, not a perfect square. 4 lakh, not a perfect square. But 100 is a perfect square. And 60,000, which is a perfect square. Zeros in the square number. If a number contains 1 0 at the end, so 2 zeros will have the square. It means that the number contains 0 will be doubles in its square. Square of 30 will be 900. So 1 0 multiply 2 times, that is 2 times, that is 2 zeros, that goes with the 900. 5,000 square. So 3 zeros will be multiplied with 2. 3 twos are 6. 6 zeros. 400 square, that is 2 zeros, 2 times, that is total 4 zeros. 10,000, so 4 zeros multiply with 2, that goes at the 8 zeros. And we have here 6 lakh, that is 5 zeros. So 6 lakh square will be, 6 square is 36 and 5 0 into 2, that is 10 zeros. Numbers between the square numbers. We can find some numbers between two consecutive numbers by finding the square numbers of any two numbers. Between 1 square and 2 square, that is, number is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So the numbers are 2, 3, which are not a square number. Similarly, between 2 square and 3 square, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, which are 5, 6, 7, 8. They are not a square numbers. Non-square numbers. The non-square number, which is 1 less than the difference of two consecutive numbers, the formula is n minus 1 minus n. So for example, n, here I take 9, which is 3 square, and 16, which is 4 square. So I'll use this formula here, that is n minus 1, which is 16 minus 1 minus 9. Now 16 is a 4 square and 9 is 3 square. So your answer is 6. 16 square and 25 square. So 16 is a 4 square and 25 is the 5 square. So 25 minus 1 minus 16, that answer is 8. Similarly, you can go ahead. You will find the sequences 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So this video or the first part, we discuss all the interesting fact about the square and certain numbers. We'll go ahead with the next part with the Pythagoras triplet. I hope you have remembered all this trick. You cannot simply remember just by reading or listening to one time. You make sure that you write all these tricks in your notebook. See you with the next part. Bye bye.